Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an invitation to join your friends in a Roblox experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable experience invitation notifications on the Roblox app for PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're on the main screen, look to the left side menu and find the More icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to expand more options. From the expanded menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage everything related to your Roblox account. Here, look for the Notifications option and click on it. This section is where you control which alerts you get from Roblox, including friend requests, messages, and most importantly, experience invitations. Within notifications, you'll see several categories. Find and click on Mobile Push Notifications. Even though you're on PC, Roblox uses this section to manage all push notifications, including those for experience invitations. Now, look for the Experience Invitation option. There should be a toggle switch next to it. If it's off, simply click to turn it on. Once enabled, you'll start receiving notifications whenever a friend invites you to join an experience, making it much easier to jump into games together without missing a beat. That's all it takes. With experience invitation notifications turned on, you'll always be in the loop when your friends want to play. If you ever change your mind, you can follow these same steps to turn the notifications off. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with your friends so everyone can stay connected on Roblox. Have fun gaming, and see you in the next experience.